Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to cut DTF gang sheets on the xTool P2 laser. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so when I cut my DTF gang sheets, I like to not only place them in here of course, but I use coasters to hold them down. So when the air assist turns on, it's not causing them to move while I cut. So I'm going to go ahead and work on my artwork now. This is going to be really simplistic artwork. I've done off camera a test grid to see what settings I like perfect with my P2. So I'm going to go ahead and click here. Look at that. My settings are 20 power, 140 speed. Again, I figured that out off camera, but doing a couple tests on just a blank sheet of DTF transfer paper is perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and put in the right settings. And this is going to cut for us. All right, so I've got this here. I like to make it yellow because it's easier for me to see. I'm gonna put it to the x-axis being 0 so that it lines up with the edge. You need to make sure that it doesn't go any further than your cutting area. You'll notice my gang sheet is a little bit too long. I could remedy this by simply going and using the conveyor instead. Then I'm gonna make another line here, bring it down a little further so that I can cut these out individually. And then again, going over to my x-axis and making it 0. And then my last one, I'm gonna make my short lines. This one's gonna be a little bit different for each of the images themselves, but I'm gonna go using the exact same settings, making sure that it says cut. And then I like to zoom in a little bit just to make sure I'm not hitting the top of anything. Looks like I'm good, and it looks like I have from top to bottom on here. So then I'm gonna do it again. You'll notice these coasters are really nice too to help you line up where your artwork is going and where your cuts are gonna be going. Dual purpose. And then some people will go ahead and just make the lines individually. I like to copy and paste over and over so that I don't have to go through and change my settings for each individual line. Just saves me a little bit of time, but you can do them individually as well. So my settings here are going to score the DTF transfers, so they'll be all together in one and I can just pull them off as I need them. And we're ready to get started. We printed these transfers on the Omni DTF 14.5. All right, so we're all done. These are all perforated and ready for transferring. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to leave a comment with any questions that you have and send this to somebody that you think might like it.